Hi, I'm Sterling, and I had to do this video wherever the first file got lost. This is about the long E sound. The long E sound, E, is probably best approximated in English by the sound that the letter I, the English letter I, makes in Spanish. However, many Spanish speakers get confused when they see a word spelled with the letter I. The letter I does not generally make the E sound in English. There could be some exceptions, so I don't want to say that it doesn't. But for example, the word B-I-G is pronounced big. That's a short I sound. It is not pronounced big, which is how many Spanish speakers pronounce it. It is big. That is the short I sound. We're going to talk here about the long E sound. The long E sound, which is not normally represented by the letter I. It is normally represented by two E's together, EA, IE, after the letter C, EI, and the only example I could think of a silent E is the word meet when it means to measure something. M-E-T-E, meet. The E on the end is silent, indicating that the E appearing before the consonant T is pronounced with a long E sound, meet. Here is an example of a random list that I'm just thinking of as I go along that are represented by various spellings, EA, EE, IE, EI. Meet, treat, street, feet, green, Jean, Jean, Gene, Gene. There's another example of a silent E. Meet and Gene, Gene. Stream, cream, peep, beep, beat, and then E can also be represented by a single E, as in the pronouns we, he, she, the verb to be, or a double E, as in the insect bee, the tree, free, knee. That's enough. Those are just words I thought of. I had them on my list in a document. You can see that the combinations of EE and EA are probably the most common. With IE, normally IE produces the E sound, such as the word piece, P-I-E-C-E, meaning piece, a part of something, a piece of something. The word peace, P-E-A-C-E, is pronounced the same, peace. Es como paz. So, let me see. Oh, what I wanted to say about the letter C. The words receive, receipt, deceit are the only examples I can think of immediately. The letter C, when it's followed by an I or an E, gets the S sound. And there's a similar rule in Spanish. But when the letter C is to be followed by a long E sound, that E sound is going to be EI, not IE. Receive, R-E-C-E-I-V-E. Deceit, D-E-C-E-I-T. That's all I have to say about the E sound. I'm going to go on and talk about the short E sound in a video after this. See you in that next video.